Hey, what's up guys? It's Texumer talking to you here. And today I want to talk about the Nothing Ear phone. Yes, this is the Nothing Phone 1. It's the first phone from the Nothing company from Carlos Pei. Carlos Pei was the founder of OnePlus. He worked on OnePlus for several years and built the brand as it is today. But he decided to leave a few years back and released a new company, Nothing Company. The Nothing Inc., as it is known, has released two new products by far. The Nothing earphones, which I've made a video on this channel, is actually one of more popular videos on my channel, so thank you guys for your support. And the Nothing phone, that has been released in the last month, 3 weeks. We got the design now. We did not got the specs though, we just got the design. And it has some new features. MPHD made a video on it and it seemed cool. But I've noticed something that I think no one is talking about, and it seems so obvious to me that it's just ridiculous. So in this video, I will share some controversial opinions on this phone. So before I get started, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to my channel. That would really appreciate your support and that will really help me out on my goal to reaching 1,000 subscribers until the end of the year. So no further ado, let's get started. Hey, what's up team? Ready to design the future of the Nothing phone? You got 1 month to do it. So you want me to make a Nothing earphone, but you want me to design the phone in 1 month? That's right, 1 month. Yeah, but I only got 1 month, right? Yep, if you are going to copy some things, at least change something so it's not too obvious you are copying some companies. Okay, let's see what I can do. Yep. See you soon. Bye, team. Hey, the design is getting ready. Yep, it's done. Whoa, love it. Such a unique design. So beautiful, so unique. I never seen a phone looking like this on the market. And I think it will sell like hotcakes. Hey, boss, take a look at this design. What do you think about it? Oh God, what have I told you? It looks just like other smartphones. A very popular smartphone, actually. It looks the same? You already knew this design? Where? The iPhone 12, you idiot. It looks just like the iPhone 12. The iPhone 12? Are you saying that it looks like the iPhone 12? Yes, it looks just like the iPhone 12. Take a very deep look onto it. Jesus. Maybe. Yeah, it does look. It's just an iPhone 12 with a transparent back. God damn it. Back to drawing board. Ugh. So, as you saw with that skit, yes, the Nothing phone just looks like the iPhone 12. Why is not everyone talking about it? It's just ridiculous. This phone is literally the same design as the iPhone 12. There's no difference. Maybe the USB-C and the grill, which is from the Samsung phones. So, this phone is copying designs from every single manufacturer, but the main design has been copied from the iPhone 12. This is literally the same iPhone 12 design. If you pick one and put it on top of the other, it's literally the same phone. And what they did? They just made the back transparent and put some LEDs on the back. So it's literally the same phone. How is not everyone talking about this? How is not Apple pursuing a lawsuit against this company? This is literally the same design. The phone is cool, it seems cool, and even the features from the LEDs seem very cool with the notifications and all. But, I mean, this is literally an iPhone 12. How can anyone not see this? This should be a very big problem for the industry. This is literally the same iPhone 12 chassis. They just picked the same chassis, removed the background, and simply put some LEDs, made the back transparent. That's how they did it. They did the whole thing of, please do not copy my homework, try to make it a little bit different, and they just completely copied it and made the back transparent. Oh my God, this is just so stupid. I mean, I like the phone, I like the design. This is not a review, I did not use the phone ever, but just from looking at it, I can clearly see that this is an iPhone 12. And if you don't see it, please, you're not being objective. This is literally the iPhone 12. Go, pick an iPhone 12 on the store, and that's literally the same feeling as another phone. It's just ridiculous. This phone is literally the same side bezels, the same side corners, the same everything, the same camera placement. It's literally the same phone. If you put them on the back and you said to me that this is a transparent phone from Apple, I would believe it 100%. I mean, this is just ridiculous. How can a company copy another company? Like, on this level, there are Chinese phones that have copied iPhones a lot less and have gotten completely destroyed by Apple lawsuits. And now, nothing phone is like literally the same iPhone 12 design, literally the same iPhone design, and Apple is not doing anything. And they are still selling the iPhone 12, which is even stranger. So, nothing phone simply copied the most popular designs ever from Apple. Simply, the iPhone 12 has been a super cycle. Tons of people have iPhone 12s, and they decided that maybe that's the most popular recent design from a smartphone, and so they will copy it, try to make it more appealing to the masses. So maybe they think they can win some customers from Apple just by copying the same, literally the same design with a transparent back. Maybe. I don't know. But I don't like this feeling from this company. Like, just copying designs from the AirPods Pro with the Nothing earphones. I've talked about that, making them transparent, but they are literally the same earphones design, and now they are copying the iPhone 12 design. This is very strange, very weird. Apple, take a look on this company. I do not like the way they are operating. The phone could be good, they could have amazing specs, but they are not unique. They are completely copying and robbing the design from the iPhone 12. And by the way, also on the Nothing earphones. So I don't like this approach from Nothing Ear. This is a short video just to talk about how bad this problem has gotten on this company. I don't like it, and I want Apple to oversee this. There's not enough people on the tech community talking about this. They are just praising how beautiful this phone looks. This is literally the iPhone 12, guys. Wake up. This is the iPhone 12 on a different skin, with a transparent back, with some LEDs, but it's still the iPhone 12. Like, this is the same design. Please, guys, take a look at these two pictures and tell me how could this not be the same design. This is just a fraud, and I do not appreciate the way this company is working. Like, I do not want to be shaming this company this way. I like Nothing approach to things, making weird stuff, cool stuff. For me, a guy from the tech community, I like this stuff. And if this phone's good, even better. I do not want this company to fail. I love Carpace, very impressive approach to the smartphone market. He has now created 2 successful companies. That's not easy, but I still do not like the way they are operating, making the very similar designs to Apple just to try to sell phones to Apple customers. I just don't like it. And I mean, that skit was a very funny way to put it, but this is a more serious talk. I don't think that companies should be allowed to do this. This is stealing property from another company. Apple should take a lawsuit against this company. But I'm not a lawyer. I'm not no one to say what Apple should do or should not do. They are the owner of themselves. And of course, Nothing phone will keep launching these designs if Apple doesn't do anything. So let me know in the comments down below what you think about the Nothing phone. Do you think that it's still the same design as the iPhone 12? Do you think it's different? Do you think it's very different? Let me know your opinions down below. And of course, I will probably get tons of hate on this video just because last time that I talked about the Nothing company and said some bad things about their earphones, I got like 200 dislikes, but I don't care. I will tell what I think. I do not hide my emotions. I do not hide my thoughts. I'm a free man, so I will tell what I think. And right now, I'm thinking that Nothing phone is the iPhone 12 with a skin. So these are my thoughts on the Nothing phone. It could be good. I have not tried it. I will not try it out just because I have no interest in it. But I mean, it could be an amazing phone. I'm not telling you it's not an amazing phone. But in my opinion, just by copying the design, it just loses a lot of interest for me and it just scores a few points down. But what are your thoughts on this phone? Let me know in the comments down below. While you're there, do not forget to leave a like, subscribe to my channel. This has been Tech Summer talking to you here. Bye.